Hello! In front of me I have Alcatel One Touch Go watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. To change the language on this device, we need to open the One Touch Move application on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on this icon right here to open the device page. Let's wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone. And once it's done, you can tap on settings right here. And in settings, let's select the language option. And as you can see, we have the list of languages. You can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you like to use. For example, let's select this one. And once you select the language should change. So if I open something on the watch, like, I don't know, maybe weather. No. Oh yeah, the language changed here. Okay. Let's go back maybe to sports. As you can see, the language changed. Let's bring it back to English. Like that. And now the language should be back to English. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.